Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Darshan and I am an engineering student like most of you guys. Here I am starting a journey, uh, most probably a journey with not so many people. Yeah, jokes apart. To be fair on you guys, I would like to clear that I have not accomplished much in the field of ML, but I feel student to student interactions are much better. Like for example, queries arising in my mind might arise in your mind as well, so it becomes easier for us to solve each other's problems. By the way, this will be an introductory video and we will be answering some of the questions like what is machine learning and why should we use it. But before starting, I would like to say that this video and following videos are for everyone who has some even point like interest in ML. Now let's get back to our question of what is machine learning. Please don't focus on the download and of course not edited thinking emoji. Alright, without wasting any time, now finally let's try to answer what is machine learning. So, machine learning is a science in which you can program the computers to learn from the data and give them the ability to learn from their experiences without being explicitly programmed. Let's take an example of image processing and understand further. Let's suppose we want an image classifier between a cat and a dog. So, for that, we need to show the machine different photos of cats and dogs. After doing this process repeatedly, the machine becomes capable of differentiating between a cat or a dog by seeing any unseen photo. Now this application is used for security purposes on larger scales. Now let's move on to our next question, which is why we should use machine learning. Here is the simple answer, which is to solve complex problems like health diagnosis or spam filtering, which is pretty old now, but still, and also answering weather changes and many more. Also, if we cannot answer the questions, at least we can learn from it and figure out why it is happening and what are the causes. Saying that, we move on to our last question for today, which is what are the different types of machine learning systems? Machine learning systems can be mainly classified into three sections, which are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. I will just give you the brief idea about these three systems. We will cover these topics in detail in further coming videos. Now, as the name suggests, in supervised learning, we monitor the learning part of our machine, while in unsupervised learning, the machine learns by itself without any prior instructions. In reinforcement learning, the machine is kept under an environment and it learns from the feedbacks. For example, if it is told to pick up an apple, and if it does, we give him the rewards, and if it does not, we give him negative rewards, which is basically penalties. And so, machine basically learns from our feedbacks and tries to commit less errors. There are also terms like online learning, batch learning, instance-based learning, and model-based learning. Don't worry, we'll address these terms in coming videos. So thank you guys for watching this video till the end, and of course, bearing me for 4 long minutes. If you have any doubts, please write them in the comment section below. It will be appreciated. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Dhruva and Raj for keeping me motivated to make this video. Also, if you feel that you learned something, kindly don't ignore the thumbs up button and yeah, that subscribe button as well. So that's it guys for today. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.